Hi everyone, this is Breezy Home and this is my IELTS Mental English Practice for Day 6. Let's start. Tools for your mental workshop, imagination and autosuggestions. Harnessing the power of the mind for success. Imagination, the genesis of achievement. The mind's workshop where all plans are forged. Visualizing desired outcomes with vivid clarity. Jeff Bezos' vision, envisioning Amazon as an everything store from the start, creative problem solving, imagining solutions beyond current limitations, auto-suggestion, programming your potential, consciously influencing your subconscious beliefs. Repeated positive affirmations reshape personal reality, build unwavering self-confidence, overcome self-limiting beliefs, align daily actions with ambitions, and a famous saying of Napoleon Hill, what the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. And that's all for today. Thanks for listening. See you.